Canvas, if you have an app called, it'll show student, but it's Canvas. So you go in there, and my class is Miss VZ, so I'm going to tap this Miss VZ, and now I'm going to go into math. And now I'm going to press this one. It says the date.
Right.
And now I go down, scroll down, and in here, let's see. One of these links could be this. Let's see. So, one sec. I'm just going to re-go because I'm going to show you one thing. Going to math here. So when you click the Math Learning Center, it shows this. Tap it and you scroll down and you'll find pattern shapes.
Okay.
So once you find that,
download that.
I think you have to download it.
Okay. Then
somehow.
Yeah, that's fine. So we will be able to download then.
So you go into Apple Store, it'll say Apple Store and you can download it.
Okay, then.
So then after you go I have already downloaded it. So after you go in here, let's say I'm making some shape. I'm making this shape. And I want to redo the whole thing.
Okay.
I didn't like it.
Okay.
So I'm going to press this small rotating. It's not rotating, but it's 2 arrows.
Okay.
You tap it and it'll say start over. Do you want to clear all your work? If you do, you press yes. If you don't, you press no. Okay. So I'm going to press yes. Okay. And then it clears.
Okay.
So if you want to, let's say I want to rotate it and make the trapezoid go this way.
Okay, so there is this thingy coming
see,
up. So
when you tap it, so when you tap it, a green outer line will come out. Okay. So only when the green outer line comes out, you will see this, and you can tap it to rotate it.
Okay.
And then you can move it wherever you want.
Okay. So after you are done with all this, then you have to save it somewhere?
So how to save it? If you have an iPad like me, you'll press the home button and this button over here. It's nearby my camera. So I press these two.
So you're just taking a picture out of it?
You're taking a screenshot.
Okay.
And now I'm going to hit done. Save to photos. You're going to hit that.
Right.
So now you can go into Seesaw
and upload that photo in that.
So I'm just going to use something else, one of these, and I'm going to see it says upload over here after you go. So upload. So my photo is right here. So I'm going to choose it. I'm going to select it, and I can put it wherever I need to. Then I can label it with the T. Of course, you guys know how to do that. Like, I had to write trapezoid.
Right.
So,
okay. Thank you.
done.
Thank you.
Bye.